The world is changing rapidly, and I think when we talk about the education system, it's enormously changing. So you can't have a school where you just go in the assembly, talk about moral talks, give long speeches. Today's generation children will be hardly interested to listen to you. If I was giving speeches to them or showing them some kind of moral talk movies or movies with a message, it was not having that impact on it. And when I talk about art of living, the intuition process, why not for my school, Royal Concorde International School, Kalyan Nagar branch? And I connected with the team here, and we had it as a part of the summer camp. And when the children started attending this program, I just saw a change. I am sure that you won't believe, but just in a 2 days time, I found that the children were giving me a very positive feedback. The anger issues which they were having, they knew how to control that, how to control themselves. In a school, when we implement such type of program, it's very useful, it's functional, it's constructive, and I feel that it was a right journey of learning for the children.